Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, got it. Okay, and very warm welcome, okay, especially to today's topic, the sharing of AFC Life Science products. Okay, my name is Melissa Leong, and I'm most glad to be today's MC. Well, while many of us have been meeting up recently, yet many more people are again and again, okay, more than eager and excitedly anticipate more of these entrepreneur and health concern meeting sessions. So please keep your gadgets silent, stay alert, and enjoy and participate actively on this Zoom meeting. Lots of good news coming on the way, so stay connected to your leaders. And sekarang juga kita bersama terus berjuang, pasti berjaya. And well, um, uh, yes. I am only just too happy, okay, to tell all that this is a very good product made in Japan, okay. It's Japanese synthetic breakthrough, okay, and the world's first triple peptide, complete with many of its ingredients patented and with many clinical reports too. Astonishingly, many diseases are treated well, okay, and what is that? Yes. Beside all these super good products aside, let me not take much of your time, as many of you would have known that network marketing is only powerfully, effectively, and career rewarded, okay, with good proven leaders mentoring us. Okay, we are most glad that this top leader, whom is going to come on stage later, okay, is coupled with very vast experience, okay, not only in leadership but in medical expertise too, okay. And this leader is very dedicated, often seen in social media, okay, hosting hours of program, teaching us both health as well as rewarding, as well as in this rewarding career. His daily income is Indonesian rupiah berpuluh juta, and that's daily income, yeah. And this doctor is expert in ozone therapy, and here he is in the rank of Busido. He is the company's one of the top 5 income earner. And would you want to know, transferring to RM, how much is his yearly income like? Yes, Juta also is RM 5 Juta. Okay, let me bring to you our very well sought after, okay, Dr. Yudi Winata from Indonesia. Over to you, Dr. Yudi.
Thank you, Mel. Hi, everybody. Nice to see you all. We meet again this night. Uh, I want to tell you something that changed my life completely. So 5 years ago, almost 5 years ago, I met this product, yeah, because my friend, his name is Mr. Andreas. He looked young again, significantly. I mean, not only look more fresh, yeah, but very young. So I asked him what happened to him, and he sent me a link that explained that he take this product. At first, I'm not interested, but several days afterward, I opened the link and I see the videos like you just now saw. And I want to turn off the video because I think, this must be MLM. Luckily, if we open a link, then they offer us related link. And the related link is testimonial. When I open the testimonial, then I said, wow, this is very strange, yeah, because I think the testimonial uh, too bombastic at that time. So I think maybe it's not happen, or could it be true, because a lot of people give testimonials, and a lot of them in videos look very sincere, yeah, in a condition that special, that uh, not they are making it, and also they often give their lab data and also photos that undeniable, very spectacular. So as a doctor at the time, like my world upside down, because I'm a doctor and I know what's the limit? So there is limit that an illness won't heal. Like the first time, a person who has stroke 6 years already, and second stroke. Uh, According to my experience, if a patient's 1.5 years already, it is it will never getting better from that stage, yeah. But I'm doing ozone therapy. Ozone therapy use ozone gas to do therapy to patients, and it is very powerful. So sometimes even the 3 years patient still can get better. But after 3 years, I've never seen a patient getting better. So this testimonial make me amazed because it is 6 years already and the second stroke. So that's one testimonial. And then second testimonial is a lady from the knee problem, very, very severe, have difficulty even going to the mall because in Jakarta, if you go to the mall, maybe it needs 1 hour. After 1 hour sitting, she will not be able to walk in the mall. So it's a big problem for her. But with this product, only in several days, not even a week, she's okay already and being interviewed in the mall. And the situation like she refused to be interviewed, so she just walk, yeah, fast. And the leaders making videos and asking, So it's look very real to me. And the third is patient with renal failure getting better, and then cancer patients getting better. A lot testimonial like that. So I think, wow, because I'm an open-minded person, so I still think that there is still possibility if this supplement can stimulate our stem cells. But at that time, stem cells still very, very rare, yeah. Maybe in America, but not in other countries. So I think at that time, could this supplement be very, very powerful that stimulates stem cells? Because even stem cell injection at that time, I've never seen. But uh, because a lot of testimonial, and I think the testimonial true, so I begin to uh, think that maybe this is real. So I give to my patients, my friends, my own father, yeah, and the result in 2 or 3 weeks very, very make me jaw drop, yeah. So one of them is a stroke patient, 2 years already sitting in chair and cannot communicate because always the communication problem, yeah. If he want he's saying I want to drink, then what he say will be I want to eat, like that. So cannot communicate to other person and cannot walk, of course. Sorry, I will fix my air condition first, yeah. Okay. And then uh, this patient already suffer from stroke 2 years. It always in wheelchair. So after being given this uh, supplement from Japan, in only 2 3 weeks shows significant improve, can communicate again and begin to walk again. Yeah. So they bought the supplement to go umrah. So during umrah, they bring the wheelchair, but almost never use the wheelchair. And also he can communicate very, very good. At last, after about 6 months, he can watch for his gold shop. In gold shop, everything has to be very carefully, because it's very pricey and small things. So I think he's function 100% already. And the other is a lady with the knee problem. This lady want me to do injection to her knee, but I refuse at that time because according to me, the bone formation already not good. So nothing we can do about this. But this lady insists for me to do injection. And luckily afterward, she asked for a good vitamin for knee. So I give this product. 3 weeks after 2 weeks, sorry, 2 weeks after that injection, after the product, she came into my practice room because all of the patients gather at the same time at that time, yeah, and they all say their testimonials. So this is maybe the help from God for me. So they more convinced of each other. This lady can even do the sports that use the knee all the time, like bending the knee from time to time like this, the sport, yeah, standing. So that's never in my mind that this will never be happen before, yeah. This will never happen. So the third case is my patient have kidney failure and doing operation here because every time doing the hemodialysis, the blood clot. And then 3 days after doing hemodialysis again, doing operation at the different arm. Uh, 3 days after, here again, yeah, the wound that's not closed yet, being open again and change the tube again. And 3 days after, here again, yeah, the other arm. So the husband stressed, very, very stressed. Yeah. But I said, try this. And then when she tried the products, the hemodialysis very, very smooth. They can take out more water from the body, and the patients feel like very, very normal patients. So very normal person. So usually the patient of kidney failure, maybe some of them because a lot of toxin or something like that, or the effect of hemodialysis, if the quality of hemodialysis is not good, they feel like the world ruined. So after hemodialysis, they will feel headache, a little bit feverish, nauseated, and things like that. And it's continue, yeah. Only the degree is different. But after taking this product, she feel like very, very healthy, like normal person, can walk again, can drive the car again, like that. And also, one of my patient have nerve problem. So have tingling sensation in the right leg, but in 6 days the symptom disappeared already. Also, what else? Yeah, the case at that time. My father, yeah, my father have blisters all over the body and bleeding here and there, uh, and then also cannot walk because the muscle of the legs become very, very weak because he's suffering like blood cancer. And it is because he maybe, yeah, it's because he took sleeping pills, very, very, the mild one, anti-allergy that cause sleeping also, but the effect like that. So can you imagine blisters all over your body and it never heal? Usually if you, maybe someone have a burn wound that it will 2 months, 1 month it will close again, but not in my father's body. It's still there, and all the time. So it's very, very frustrating, and he's very weak. So very severe the condition. In 2 weeks, my mother called me because my father has also diabetes and hypertension. My mother called me and say that my father condition now have hypoglycemic. So I asked about the food, still the same. The medication, still the same. So I said, oh, maybe this product. Yeah. So just reduce the medication half. But the next day, my mother called, hey, this is still 90, still very low. So we stop all the medications. And since that day, my father getting healthy very, very fast. Yeah. The wounds all closed, the bleeding stop, the subcutaneous bleeding stop, and also the legs become to normal, can walk again, can do activity uh, as before, like maybe like around 10 years younger, yeah. So I have now I already market this product 5 years. So I have tons of testimonials, yeah. Autistic children getting well, yeah, cancer and tumor, everything, every cancer, yeah, lymph node cancer, lymphoma, bowel cancer, cirrhosis, hepatic, and a lot of cancers. So This product actually first I market this product only to help, because as a doctor what I want is get my patients healed, because we work in this industry, also earn money from practicing, but the main thing for me is how to make people healthy, So money is important but not everything. So first time I joined this company because of the product. Because the product so good, I think now I have another hope for my patients. The patients that terminally ill, that usually I have to give up. I have to say, sorry, yeah, you just take good care of your mother because nothing we can do. Usually like that. Now I can say, oh, there is still one hope, like that. And the incidence of this product function actually very, very large. Yeah. So like 80%, 70% of the patients that usually cannot be healed now can be healed. That's why me and a lot of my friends say that this is the God's product, the God's medication, like that. Cut it short, in 1 year, the product boomed in Indonesia so much because it's so good. Yeah. And then the second year, moreover, yeah. And now the 6 years, it's still boom, and a lot of people can be helped using this product. This is my first intention when joining this company. Yes, now I have a lot of income because this company actually before is a conventional company, but the first time in Indonesia, the Japan company let Indonesian company market it in MLM way, and it's proved to be very, very good. Yeah. And yeah, I have big income, so we will talk about that later. But I want you to see and to know what's the product that uh, I'm talking about. Mel, can I share the file? Yeah. Okay. I think all of you can see this.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What I want to talk is about AFC. AFC is the name of the company, the abbreviation of Asayama Family Club. So Asayama is the name of the family like Toyota, Honda, and so on. This company already more than 50 years, yeah. And also the holding company is like conglomeration, So very, very big company that has TV station, have the pharmaceutical, herbal, and a lot, yeah, like TV station and things like that. Also already public listed. So it is very, very safe because they are audited constantly. And this is several of their factory, yeah? Several of these big factories, which I already visited uh, 3 times going to Japan to their factory. So it's very, very good, yeah. And now in Indonesia, AFC Indonesia have several uh, centers in Jakarta, Surabaya, Medan, Bali, which is all very, very big and all bought uh, by AFC Indonesia in cash. So the financial condition very, very solid, yeah, because the sales also uh, amazing. And this is the owner of AFC Indonesia, Ernest Prayuda, and this is the co-founder, Michael Tampi. They all still very, very young, comparing to me. Yeah. Comparing to me, they're very, very young, but very successful, yeah, with no background of MLM before. And this is the doctors, uh, the leader of doctors team. Yeah. AFC actually being made for a good reason because the owner uh, live very, very straight and life have a very, very straight life, and now uh, he think that the way to help a lot of people is by using MLM. And he tried to make MLM without even MLM background. But luckily, the gods help us. So now AFC Indonesia is MLM local from Indonesia #1. So in 6 years, so it's very significant. And during COVID, a lot of MLM bankrupt. I think around 60 or 80 companies in one association bankrupt. But AFC become #1, and even the the selling at that time increased so much. Yeah. So AFC actually because means to do good things. So a lot of things they have done, like help the health center in Lombok, and do in what you say in disaster they always there, yeah, and uh, do a lot of help to people, yeah, like this free operation, things like that, yeah. So I see in these 6 years, I think the AFC vision and mission already take toll, because a lot of leaders before very kinky, yeah, something like that, and not in a good uh, intention, But now they all become very good, yeah, can share to someone, and caring for the downlines and things like that. So I think this is a very good way for us to change not only health and financial, but also our mindset and behavior, yeah, towards the better one. Now I will talk about AFC product. AFC have several products. Actually, AFC have a lot of products. The company already produced 40,000 more products. But uh, the one that AFC Indonesia market from MLM only 3 products. One is called Utsukushi. Utsukushi mean beautiful, yeah, in Japanese, but not beauty in face, but more beauty inside. So this product being made from DNA salmon, so salmon milk DNA, and it has several ingredients, yeah. Pineapple extract, resveratrol, kiwi seed extract. This is for antioxidant, yeah. And Takara kombu fukuidan. This is the most important ingredient because this is a seaweed that can stimulate our immunity to a different level. Yeah, it can increase our natural killer cell, and natural killer cell is our immunity system that will help us to fight virus infection, bacteria infection, and also cancer. So this is proof to be very good. We will see the result, the testimonial after this. And also 3 good bacteria. Yeah, so 3 good bacteria because Japanese observe if sick person being uh, endos endoscopy, we put camera into the bowel, and we see if sick people the bowel very dirty, but healthy people have the very clean bowel. So they think if what about cleaning the dirty bowel? It proved to be good for immunity. So it has 3 good bacteria and a lot. Yeah, I mean the amount a lot. Also, it has black garlic, glutathione, and D vitamin and fish collagen. So the special thing about AFC product is its product actually backed up with research. And a lot of research, if conclude the same thing, they will apply for patent, And is this product has actually 8 patents from Japan and USA. But the first patent is its anti-tumor agent. So it's very effective against tumor, yeah. And also it increase our immune system, yeah, as a therapeutic agent, as medication for hepatitis C. But in practice for C or B, it's very effective. Like I said, even for terminal stages of cancer because of this virus, yeah, like cirrhosis hepatic cirrhosis, already it is proved very good. I meet personally 2 patients of this cirrhosis hepatic. One of them cannot wake up 1 year already in bed, have a very big stomach, and suffer so much. Yeah, but with this product, can normal total, So 3 days can begin to roll on her side because before she can only lying down with supine position, cannot roll on her back, cannot roll on her side. But in 3 days can do this to get her fast, and now she's very active, doing a couple of products. She's totally now. Her name is Ida, and the latest I got from Aceh also. I forgot but all the same story. And also another story, but this story only testimonial. I've never saw the person, but this person already uh, what you call it. If you nauseous, then you will puke. Yeah, I don't know. Is it the correct term? You th throw out from the mouth a lot of blood because the blood vessel inside already broken, But this person also can be 100% good. Now become the leaders of, yeah. So a lot of case like that, and also good for SARS, COVID. Yeah, during COVID, it saved a lot of life. A lot of coma patients. We just give the product, and then the patients in 2 days, 3 days wake up again, and the amazing thing is after waking up only 2 days 3 days go home already, so the improvement so fast. That's why now a lot of doctors join AFC in Indonesia. And also it's good for COVID, yeah, and also for AIDS, because they have also research special for AIDS, and it is proven because we have several testimony about AIDS. The CD4 increase so fast, yeah. So this is uh, another use of this product. Yeah. Also, this product actually very very good for your skin. So for ladies, if you have black spots, you have skin that is very very not glowing. Yeah, this will change in a very uh, short way and short time. And also this product very good for the one who's fat, want to be slim fast. Yeah, take this 6 sachet one day. Usually the response very very good, and it contains black garlic that acts as anti-inflammatory, also good for the heart. Yeah, and also reduce the risk of cancer, diabetes, and also increase your brain function. Also good for hyperacidity. So I want to tell you about NK cell. This Utsukushi actually uh, stimulates our immune system by increasing our NK cell or the natural killer cells. Natural killer cells, the name sounds scary, yeah? But this actually good. It's scary for virus and bacteria and cancer and tumor. So it can get rid of cancer and tumor. We have immune system already, yeah, but usually the NK cell not much. So sometimes the immune system cannot detect the cells that already have mutation. So after the cells mutate, they keep growing, 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 become different from uh, the the natural cells. That's what we call tumor and cancer. But the natural killer cells very very clever. It usually can detect the one that is missed by other immune system and can get rid of it. We can see later in photos. Yeah. So we already talking about the patterns. Yeah. About the bacteria, about what's inside. Yeah. This is the proof. Yeah. You see, this is cancer actually inside her mouth and become better. Yeah. Disappear completely. And also this lady, yeah, have a tumor in the neck. Yeah. From my experience, a lot of tumor, uh, salivary gland tumor, lymph nodes, Hodgkin, non-Hodgkin, and a lot of others. Yeah, sometimes even not diagnosed because You know, patients when they don't have money, they think it is better than to go to hospital. It is better just to buy this product, you know. So it's like this patient 14 days already disappear, yeah, the lungs. And then this is the eye problem. This is the tumor called rhabdomyosarcoma, yeah. If I, as a doctor, face this, I think there is no hope already, yeah, because this must also spread already to the brain and every tissue around. And what will we do? We will throw away this part maybe and causing big damage, yeah. But using this product, this patient can be good again, yeah. This is the breast cancer, yeah. This is before consumption, so this is the nipple actually. So can you imagine this is very, very big wound and rotting already, and maybe almost half of, because inside is must be necrotic. So almost half of the the breast already rotten, yeah. But after 3 days consumption, this is 7 days, not hour, yeah, 7 days, and this is 11 days of consumption the product. The wound close and the breast become almost normal 100%. Yeah. So this is a very powerful product. And the second product is SOP Subarasi. SOP Subarasi actually will imitate the placenta in human because you know, even from Chinese era, yeah, the emperor usually want to get young, and somehow because maybe forcing the doctors at that time, yeah, he know that the placenta are very good for health. So yeah, maybe I saw in the internet, I don't know whether it's true or not, but they consume the placenta, sometimes even the fetus, you know. So it's not like not human, yeah, but because want to get young. But this is not ethical. So if we compare what's inside the salmon ovary peptide, what's inside the SOP, the product that we discuss now, is a lot of amino acid, you know, and it is even better and more concentration comparing to human placenta and deer placenta. So what's inside the SOP is one, it is made from the seed that hold the salmon eggs together. If we open stomach of fish that contains egg, usually we will find the eggs together because of one seed that hold the eggs together. This seed is taken from the salmon egg and processed. This will be the main ingredient. We call it SOP or salmon ovary peptide. That is only a term because usually the fish don't have ovary, of course, because uh, yeah, only the whale have mammalia, yeah, but the others it's not mammal, so don't have. But this is the term, yeah, salmon ovary peptide, and this ingredient actually have a very, very good effect. One is it can regenerate our cells by stimulate our natural stem cells. So this is very good comparing to stem cells injection because this is natural from our body. So no rejection and very, very cheap comparing to injection. And also not painful, yeah. Only taking it, consume it, the taste more or less like candy, yeah, is okay, but the effect you will be amazed if you have consumed this after a time, yeah. So this has effect regeneration of cells. It can renew your cells, yeah, all of the cells in your body, included the hormonal cells. So if your hormone cells become new again, become young again, of course, the release of hormones also become normal again. Of course, you will be young again and normal again. A lot of illness actually caused by the hormone imbalance. That's why if you are a lady that has this disturbance in menstruation period, yeah, whether it's too long or too short period or too much blood or too little blood or whatever or painful during the menstruation, you have to be very careful because it's not only that symptom that we think of. What we have think we have to think is the hormone imbalance that can cause tumor and cancer and so on. So a lot of people don't know about this. So when they have a lady have lump in breast or cyst in stomach or something like that, they will just do operation. This is not solving the problem because the hormone imbalance not treated. So the tumors will appear again, and become malignant. Yeah. But if you make the hormone balance, then the tumors will disappear by themselves. And this I saw this a lot in this past 5 years. And also, second, it can clean our blood vessels. You know, our blood vessel plays very, very important role because it transport oxygen and also nutrition to our cells. Without two of these, our cells will sick and die. And if a lot of cells sick and die, we also will sick and die. So by improving the blood circulation, it will help a lot. It can clean your blood vessel, mean the plaque will also be removed. We have a lot of testimonials, yeah, from someone, even the frontal testimonial, someone do the catheterization already, put camera inside the cable to see the blood vessel and it is clogged. So the patient's actually in Malaysia, yeah. So the doctors tell him to come back after 1 or 2 months because some reason I forgot about what's the detailed story. But after going back from Indonesia to do the operations, the doctors do the operations uh, directly because there is no medication that can clean your plaque, in medical world. That's why they always put the ring or stent inside your blood vessel. But this patient already consumed this product. When they did the operation, the doctors become amazed because the plaques, because there is no plaque again there inside the blood vessel. So I have a lot of testimonial, included our leaders. Yeah, his name is Budi Darwin. He also before have a blood vessel clog and very painful chest, shortness of breath, and everything. But using this product, the blood vessel clean up until now. So he's very healthy now. He can climb to waterfalls with me. Yeah, two waterfalls instantly. So that's very long distance and climbing, but he can do it very very fast. Yeah. Last time I go with him to Japan, uh, a village named Takayama or Tateyama, I forget it. Oh, sorry, I forgot the name. But this is the old village that have mountain, have like a hill, yeah. And me and my wife climbed that hill, but before we reach about, because my wife cannot walk so fast, but when we reach about half of the hill, Budi Darwin already go down from the top, yeah. So he's now in very, very good condition. Yeah. And second, we have in this product sardine peptide. Sardine peptide very useful in regulating our blood pressure. So high blood pressure can be normal using this, but the one that with low blood pressure don't have to worry because this is not medication. This is the difference because all AFC product is natural. So if medication, you have to determine whether you want it to go up your blood pressure or go down. But in natural product, it can normalize even the high blood pressure, the low blood pressure, it will become normal. So this is very good, yeah. And the third, it contains the fruit flow. Fruit flow is the patented name for the gel around the tomato seeds. Yeah, they take these gels and process it using several high-tech method. So this proves to be so good in preventing the blood clot, in preventing the blood thickness. You know that the blood thickness actually plays very, very important role. Yeah? A lot of people still cannot uh, didn't know what's the causing effect of stroke and heart attack. They think is the main is cholesterol, but the truth is the blood clot. That's why in every case of stroke, every case of blood attack, they will give you aspirin or a thinning agent, yeah, clopidogrel or thing like that. And this proved to be even better from aspirin because it's more powerful but very mild comparing to aspirin. So this will help us naturally make our blood not thick, and this is important because in COVID this product useful, very useful, because a lot of COVID patients die because of blood clot, actually. Blood clot in the lung, in lung and in blood vessel, you know. By consuming this product, usually we give 2 sachet one time. Even if the patient unconscious, we just stir it with water, put in nasogastric tube, the tube for feeding. We give 2 sachet, and then we make ready 5 more sachet that is given every hour, you know. By using this 7 sachet, usually the patients will wake up, yeah, and conscious again. And yeah, that's our experience during COVID. That's why during COVID, this product sold like crazy in Indonesia. So another MLM company closed while AFC Indonesia have records on selling, yeah. 450 million rupiahs only in 1 month, you know. So every month like that. So this uh, very sad, uh, very sad condition, the COVID for us, but also very happy condition for AFC people, because earn a lot of money. And we go around, so I still keep going to another part of Indonesia, yeah, doing presentation, because yeah, I did it for more than 2 years, but never got COVID. So I think this product helped us a lot. Yeah. And we talked about this already, about what's inside also. Okay. So how about if this product for pregnant mother? Actually, even for pregnant mother, it is very safe, this product, because all the product natural. Even it do the good things because it has the research that back up that it will improve your gene expression. That means if you have one of these genes, yeah, then your baby, usually this is genetic, so your baby will have this disturbance. Like this one, yeah, your baby will become short, not tall. While this one, the baby will when grow adult, it will have cancer. You know, like Angelina Jolie do operations to get rid of the breast because uh, it has the tendency from the gene to have cancer. But if maybe if her mother consume this product, maybe that will never happen, yeah, because it can take care of the genes like this. So this is a very good for pregnant women to start have this product, and also it will help the milk production, the mother's milk. The quality will be very good. This is the mothers that told me that the thickness of the milk different, yeah, and also they will have a lot of milk. A lot of them even put it in refrigerator because it's too much, yeah, and can help uh, the orphanage and the neighbors that need it, you know. So this is a very good supplement, and the mothers and the baby also very healthy and clever, yeah. So this is another proof this product, this doctor actually have vaccination, COVID vaccination. Afterward, after the injection of the vaccine, right after the injection, he got COVID. So I think a lot of us noticed that maybe the injection bring more problem, yeah, to a person. I have uncle that died after injection because before very healthy, look young, but after injection have heart condition and also kidney failure, which never happened before, you know. So yeah, maybe this vaccine have a good sides, stimulates our immunity, but for several person, it brings a bad thing, yeah, because it's causing damage to our body. To this doctor, he got COVID, and then the dedimer, the parameter that is used in COVID patients to measure the thickness of the blood, shows 2,000, so very, very high. After going home from the hospital and declared as healed, the dedimer always more than 1,000. So he is a doctor, so he knew that what that means. It means that he can have blood clot suddenly and also can have a stroke and cardiac arrest. So he seeks medication everywhere, the friends also from Jakarta, from abroad, give him product medication, but cannot heal this condition. But after consuming this product, he's healed completely and even getting healthier. You see, this is white hair, yeah. This is all black hair. Even the natural black skin of Papuanese become lighter here, yeah, become more fresh and young. So this product can make you younger. This is the the truth. For diabetic patient with wounds, also this proves to be good. Yeah, you see the improvement. This is more over, yeah, because you see this is even like just skeleton and black already. If I didn't know about this product, maybe I will bet my home, my car, my money that this will never get better. But you see the photos on the right, yeah, the flesh grow again and even the bones become white again. And this is psoriasis. So this product very good for autoimmune. A lot of autoimmune patients product, yeah. Some of them even like a normal person. Some of them getting better, yeah. Like my friends, my wife friends. Now she's here, yeah. She's getting better a lot from the autoimmune using this product. And also my brother-in-law have exactly like this, but not this severe, yeah. But severe enough to make you like have dandruff all over, very big here, and the skin here peeled, yeah. Um, have to take steroids all the time and concerned about the side effect of steroids because steroid can ruin your kidney, can ruin your bones, make osteoporotic, can make you diabetic and things like that. He knew it. He read it in. Uh, he can browse it. So he concerned about it and consume the product, and bam, only in 1 week, 2 weeks, the symptom gone totally. Yeah. Also, he has a sinusitis. The sinusitis also good. Yeah, this is for the burn, yeah, burn skin. Only 3 days already improved like this. So a lot of things we can see. This is my friend. He suffered from stroke and lost balance. So the world spinning all the time for him. So he cannot work. But I give 2 box of product. With 2 box, the symptom of imbalance disappear totally, and the hair magically become black again. Yeah, after 5 boxes, you see the difference. And this is the my downlines. See, actually the gado-gado seller, so the food seller, yeah, and have stroke, so cannot work. Consume this product, the stroke very fast. I think in several weeks only, 2 weeks, 3 weeks already healed completely. So she market this product, and you see the skin before, yeah, a lot of black spots, yeah. Now very very clean, and don't have to work as a gado-gado seller because now selling this product, yeah, in Papua, and the income increased so much. Before only sells gado-gado only, yeah, in Indonesia that's very very little. Only to survive will be difficult, financially to survive will be difficult. But now she has income 40, 60 million 1 month. So this is good, yeah. And this is also a doctor. You see, no hair, look old, yeah, white hair, but become young again, black hair. You see, even the eyebrow, yeah, become. Actually, if it's not the photo, the reality, you can see much more than this, because this is low quality photos. Yeah. And of course, this product have a lot of award, yeah, because this product actually very good. Yeah. Now the third product is regenerating serum that's called Sensei Suru. This is nanopeptide regenerating serum. It means that it can goes into your skin very fast.